In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI for meeting notes in Clickup. Whether you're managing a packed schedule, hosting frequent meetings, or simply looking to streamline your workflow, Clickup's AI tools can help you stay organized and save time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up and enable the AI note taker in Clickup, so it can automatically record and document everything from meeting notes to actionable decisions. Let's dive right in and get started. First, log in to your Clickup workspace. If you're not already familiar, Clickup is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help teams and individuals manage tasks, projects, and more. If you don't already have a Clickup account, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Once you're logged in, locate the Ask AI option in the top right corner of your screen. It's easy to spot. Just look for it in the navigation bar. When you see it, click on it. After that, wait for the Clickup Brain panel to appear. It may take a few seconds, so be patient. Now, inside the Clickup Brain panel, you'll see a prompt field. Type the phrase AI taking down notes into that field and hit enter. This will initiate the process of setting up the AI note taker. Follow the prompts provided by Clickup AI as it guides you through the initial setup. The steps are clear and straightforward, so just respond as directed. Next, you'll need to connect your calendar to Clickup. This can be either your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar, depending on which one you use. Authorize Clickup to access your calendar when prompted. Don't worry, this is a secure process, and it allows the AI note taker to sync seamlessly with your scheduled meetings. Once your calendar is connected, navigate to your workspace settings. You can usually find this in the lower left corner of your screen, or by clicking on your workspace name. Inside the workspace settings menu, browse through the available Click apps. Look for the AI note taker among the options. When you find the AI note taker Click app, enable it by toggling it on. This step activates the functionality and integrates it into your workspace. If the AI note taker option doesn't appear right away, simply refresh your Clickup screen and it should show up. Now that the AI note taker is enabled, it's time to put it to use. Schedule a meeting in your planner just as you normally would. Once the meeting is scheduled, open the event details page for that specific meeting. In the event details, look for the toggle labeled AI note taker. Switch it on to activate the feature for that particular meeting. From here, Clickup AI will automatically take over during the meeting. It will record and document all the important details, including key decisions, action items, and anything else that comes up. This means you can focus entirely on the conversation while Clickup takes care of the note-taking for you. And that's it. With these steps, you now have the AI note taker set up and ready to help you stay organized and productive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.